important meeting that day. 200 million people in Washington.
So no more George W. Bush. Only Obama from now on.
Only Obama.
Okay. Yeah.
Really, baby.
Yeah, because nobody's gonna want to hear about.
You don't like that guy?
Well, nobody really likes George Bush. Norwegians don't like George Bush. Your Swedish don't like George Bush. The British, the French, they don't like George Bush.
Really?
Yeah. So when you're doing your tour guide, right? You're a tour guide, right?
So talk is Obama.
Obama.
Okay.
Yes. Because all the Europeans, they don't like George Bush.
Really?
Yeah.
Before, and one is European, one American, and one European, one American. They told me, oh, I hate that guy so much.
Yeah. Especially the Europeans.
Really?
Especially the Europeans.
So it's no war is better.
No war is better.
Really?
Yes. No war is better.
Oh, honey, you're